Hello, Rob Cott here from Image360 York, Pennsylvania, located at 2260 Industrial Highway. Here's a small video of an install that two of our installers did today here for one of our clients. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a call here at 717-757-4909 for all your sign and graphic needs. Thank you. Here we have two of our installers installing a nice 24x48 E-panel brushed, silver E-panel actually, for standard black cut vinyl lettering for American Heritage property maintenance here on a brick wall. This sign will ensure for their clients that people will know where they're going and get into the right building when there's multiple locations or multiple doors within a facility. A sign like this is a great inexpensive way to get yourself noticed when people pull up to your office. Here we have another beautiful 4x4 E-panel signs with Berkshire Hathaway. This is a custom color of theirs, along with half-inch, three-dimensional lettering that's been applied to this sign. Thank you for watching this video here. Give Image360 a call at 717-757-4909 for all your sign and graphic needs, commercial window tinting and films. Thank you and have a great day.